Money. That elusive, man-made construct we all seek. Can we reach it? Or are we supposed to give up and go on with our lives? I mean, seriously, money is really so hard to come by and so easy to lose. You can even meet people who talk about it like it is a mythical creature that eludes most of them and flocks towards the rich in bulk. But could it be that it does because we have it all wrong? Our views on money could be incorrect. Maybe money likes to be understood and finessed in order for it to follow us instead of us following it. Maybe if we started with the fundamentals, we can get a grasp on what money is, and then we will be able to harness it. There are 15 common misconceptions or myths about money that are so inaccurate, yet we all repeat them mindlessly. Can you guess some of them before us telling you? Comment down below if you did. Some are pretty straightforward, or even blunt. Find out for yourself. 1. Money is just money. Well, money is never just money. It isn't just a physical or digital representation of value. It is much more than that. Money has a significant impact on the way we live our lives and interact with others. It is food, shelter, social status, power, and influence. It can affect our relationships and social interactions. It can also be a source of stress and anxiety, as people worry about earning enough money to meet their basic needs and achieve their goals. Yet some people dare call it just money. The nerve! 2. Money is green stacks of cash. The concept of money has been around for thousands of years. It has changed though. It is still a medium of exchange that facilitates transactions between people, but it has many faces. Physical currency, digital money, such as bank deposits or cryptocurrency, or commodities, such as gold and silver. But mostly it became numbers on a screen. A few swipes, and it travels all over. Which is kind of weird, since it makes it more mythical and intangible for some. People are big on touching and feeling stuff. And it is weird when you buy something and just tap on your phone and poof, it's yours. Freaky stuff. And let's not even get into crypto. 3. It belongs to the rich. Money does not inherently belong to the rich, as wealth can be accumulated and distributed in a variety of ways. While it is true that some people may have more money than others, this is often due to a combination of factors such as inheritance, education, skills, hard work, and luck. 4. Money is evil. How can a medium of exchange be evil? It is evil when you let it be. The love of money is evil. The pursuit of it at all costs can lead to unethical behavior and harm to individuals. The desire for money and material possessions can sometimes lead people to engage in dishonest or unethical behavior, such as stealing, fraud, or exploitation of others. But money? Evil? No. 5. Money doesn't grow on trees. If there is a cliché about money, this is it. Money most definitely grows on trees. It doesn't? Tell that to a farmer. He literally cultivates money from trees. Other than that, money can be the fruit of previous services. So you can work hard for something and get the results later. If that doesn't say fruit from a tree, I don't know what does. If it is meant to say that money isn't or can't be free, then okay. But neither is fruit if you don't own the tree. 6. Money can't buy happiness. I apologize for earlier when I said number 5 is the most known cliché about money. This is the mother of all clichés. Having enough money to meet basic needs such as food, shelter, and healthcare is certainly important for well-being and happiness. Maybe money doesn't buy all of your happiness, but it can buy aspects of it for sure. If it doesn't, what does? The stress and anxiety of working a job you hate, being stuck in rush hour on your way to work, or not being able to meet some crucial requirements because you lack money. If that doesn't scream misery, I don't know what does. Money can't buy happiness? Please don't make me laugh. 7. Family is more important than money. Family and the pursuit of money are both important aspects of life, but they are not mutually exclusive. While it is important to work hard and strive for financial security and success, it is equally important to prioritize relationships and family connections. They go hand in hand because we all know that a family can't function without money. Taking care of your loved ones involves providing for them. Finding a balance between the two can lead to a happy and fulfilling life. 8. Money comes from a salary. Most of us have been told that we need a job to get money. That's simply not the case. For example, some people may earn money through investments, such as stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Others may start their own business and generate income through sales or services. Also, some people may receive income from passive sources, such as rental income or royalties from creative works. 9. Debt is bad. Debt is not necessarily always bad, as it can be a useful tool for achieving financial goals. One way in which debt can be useful is by allowing people to make large purchases or investments that they may not be able to afford otherwise. For example, taking out a mortgage to purchase a home can be a smart financial decision, as it allows people to build equity and establish a stable living situation. Similarly, borrowing money to invest in education or to start a business can lead to long-term financial success. However, it is important to manage debt responsibly and to avoid taking on too much debt or accumulating high levels of interest. 10. More earnings, more taxes. It is a common misconception that earning more money always means paying more taxes. In some cases, earning more money can actually result in paying less in taxes. This can happen if the higher income is earned in a way that qualifies for certain tax breaks or deductions. For example, if the higher income is earned through investments that are taxed at a lower rate, such as long-term capital gains, then the overall tax liability may be lower than if the income was earned through regular wages. Besides, there are various tax deductions and credits available that can help reduce the amount of taxes owed, regardless of income level. 11. Saving can make you rich. There is no way to get rich from your savings. That doesn't mean you shouldn't save though. Saving money is an essential part of financial planning, as it allows you to build up a financial cushion, prepare for emergencies, and make progress toward long-term financial goals. But building wealth often requires a combination of strategies, such as earning income, managing debt, and investing wisely. 12. Investing is gambling and is only for the rich. Investing is not the same as gambling, as it involves making informed decisions based on research, analysis, and a long-term strategy. While there is always some level of risk involved in investing, the goal is to make strategic investments that generate returns over the long term. It is not just for the rich, and anyone can start investing with as little as a few dollars. In fact, investing is a critical component of building wealth and achieving financial security over the long term. There are many different types of investments available to people at all income levels, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. While some investments may require larger initial investments, there are many low-cost options available, such as index funds and ETFs that allow people to invest with small amounts of money. 13. You need to be rich to travel. One of the most effective ways to travel on a budget is to plan ahead and look for deals on transportation and accommodations. This can involve booking flights in advance, looking for discounts on hotels and rental cars, Using travel rewards credit cards to earn points and miles for future trips. Be flexible with your itinerary and consider alternative destinations and modes of transportation. For example, traveling during off-peak times can help reduce costs. 14. Buying is better than renting. Buying is not always better than renting, as there are many factors to consider when deciding whether to buy or rent a home. While owning a home can provide a sense of stability and security, it also comes with significant financial and logistical responsibilities. One of the biggest advantages of renting is that it offers greater flexibility and mobility. Renting allows you to move easily if your circumstances change, such as if you get a new job in a different city, or if you need to downsize or upsize your living space. Renting also offers greater freedom from the financial responsibilities of home ownership, such as property taxes, home maintenance, and repair costs. 15. You need to work until your 60s to retire. Why? Who said so? The decision to retire should be based on your individual circumstances, including your financial situation, your health, your career goals, and your personal preferences. It is important to have a retirement plan in place, which can help you identify your goals and develop a strategy to achieve them. You know what beats retiring in your 60s? Retiring in your 40s, while you're still young and vibrant. There you are. Money is funny sometimes. If we can leave you with anything, it's this: make money. Don't let it make you. Live rich and prosper. See you on the next video.